Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch RPS touchscreen special for Volkswagen Polo 2012 to 2016 years. Okay, this is the UI interface. You can choose time. You can choose logo. Let me check setting. You can check Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car header unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Okay, you can choose the Volkswagen logo. Okay, you can change this theme color. You can adjust any color on this front panel. Okay, you also can change this button color on settings. You can choose gray, blue, and any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, let me back to home. Okay, let me check the setting. System, you can check model as PX5, Android version is 8.0 oreo system. Okay. Let me introduce internet. It's already built in the Wi-Fi. Okay. Let me check internet. It supports Google Voice command. London. It will search the London city automatically. Okay, you can try New York. It will search New York City automatically. Okay. Let me put our website belsee.com, belsee.com. Okay, this is our website. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay, let me introduce navigation. It's built in Google Maps. London. It also it will search London City automatically. You can touch control. New York. You can check it search New York City automatically. Okay. Let me introduce music. The header unit comes with two USB cables. On back, you can check this USB driver, connect the USB. The header unit play music automatically. USB 3. your screen. It supports running Google Maps and music at the same time. Let me play streaming music from your phone. You need to disconnect Bluetooth and reconnect it again when you streaming music. Okay. Volume control. Okay, let me play video. You can check video disabled when drive for safety. So you need to set it in the settings. Find car. Sorry, it's drive setting. Watch video. Turn on the watch video. And when you play video game, please choose USB 3. It plays support 4K Samsung 4K demo video. Okay. You can check its built-in vehicle. So this vehicle will show the original information. It's decoded by canvas. Canvas box will come with head unit. It will show oil, seatbelt, battery, and temperature, speed, and other information can display on this vehicle app. Okay, that's all. Thank you.